Here we go. We have the Stradic 1000 HG, brand new, 2019. This is October. Fresh out of the box, not even a broken seal. 6+1 ball bearings. Ooh, you gotta like that. It's about a $200 reel, 75 centimeters or 30 inches per crank. Got some other specs, mono, 2 to 100 yards of Lord knows what that is. 6-to-1 gear ratio, you gotta like that. And it's got the longer spool. Let's check it out. Oh yeah. Made in Malaysia. Can't complain. Alright. Here we go. Breaking the seal for you people. And there it is. Ooh. The diagrams, which you don't look at, but it's kind of cool. And there you go. We got some washers. We have, what is this? Oh, looks like some sticky tabs for tying on Spectra with braided line. And our handle. Gotta like it. Beautiful. Just newly redesigned. Oh yeah. Sweet. And here she is. She's a pretty small reel. I wanted to use it for ultralight trout. Nothing there. And let's check her out. Oh yeah. Ultralight. It's got, but it can be ultralight saltwater as well. We got the long stroke spool. That's why I bought it. Compare the other Stradic. Feels good. And we'll put this handle on over here. Oh, can you hear that? That's right. You don't hear a thing. And I like these Shimano spools. They're like specially designed with this angled lip here. Oh, to prevent wind knots and stuff. Oh yeah, they're the best. Shimano Stradic. Gotta love it. Brand new. Oh, it's super smooth. Super smooth. We're going to use this for trout fishing. And oh boy, it's going to be awesome. It's supposed to be all watertight. I don't use the automatic bail. I don't know why. I'm kind of paranoid of using it, but well, here's the rod it's going to go on. It's on my ultralight GLoomis IMX. I think it's going to be a perfect fit. Let's take a look. It's 6.5 foot ultralight SR781. Oh God, that is beautiful. Beautiful. You gotta love Shimano stuff. It's just awesome. Fits perfectly. So 6.5 foot. And oh man, I swear, oh yeah, it feels so nice. So nice. So light. Bounces about right there. It's perfect. Ultralight. Gonna get the trout with this. Even in the salt water, it's gonna do well. Gotta love it. Alright, you gotta check this out. So nice. But there you have it. The brand new. It's so light too. Oh yeah. Tighten the drag. It's gonna be sweet. You know it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.